Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word compote. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I made a delicious compote with mixed berries and a hint of cinnamon to serve with my breakfast yogurt. Compote is a dessert made of fruit cooked in sugar syrup, often flavored with spices, used as a topping or accompaniment in various dishes. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.